Downloading and managing product software can be a difficult task. Turck simplifies the process with Turck Software Manager, a free program that clearly displays and updates all software components of Turck devices in a single user-friendly environment. Turck Software Manager handles the entire update process from start to finish. It checks for updates of any installed software, indicates when new versions are available, then downloads and installs those versions on request. To download Turck Software Manager, go to www.turck.com/TSM. On the page, scroll down and click the download link for Turck Software Manager and follow the prompts. After opening Turck Software Manager, the user will have several software categories to choose from. To open up a specific category, simply select the plus symbol next to the category title. In this example, we will open the IO-Link category. The category will expand, showing all IO-Link software components. By clicking the info icon in front of the component name, a short description of the function and use of the component will be displayed. Turck Software Manager will let you know if you already have the latest version of the software by displaying a green box on the status bar under Local. If the software is not up to date, a red status bar will be displayed. To download the latest version of the software, simply click the selection box to the right of the desired software component and select the Download button. To ensure that the software component has been downloaded and is up to date, select the Delta Scan button. A green check mark under Delta will be displayed to show that the selected component has been successfully installed. Thanks for watching.